During this Women's History Month, local school districts are getting more young women involved with STEM. Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Kaylee Gunderson has details on a new program called Fly Like a Girl, aimed at training a new generation of drone pilots to take to the skies.
A female-first idea taking off from the Baldwin-Whitehall School District. It's a new program called Fly Like a Girl. High school girls, specifically in 10th and 11th grade, will become drone pilots.
To be a drone operator applies to so many different fields. So our students are going to graduate with this FAA certification. They'll be employable the day that they have the certification.
Think about how common the use of drones is.
It seems like pretty much every business nowadays, you go from the government to real estate, small business, large business, school districts, military, everybody is using drones for some to serve some purpose.
A $70,000 grant from Remake Learning is giving 3 local districts the chance to train a new age of drone pilots.
Over the last 2 years, we've distributed $2.5 million in Moonshot grants to over 33 organizations.
This grant will initially benefit Baldwin-Whitehall, Beaver Area, and South Fayette Township school districts.
It feels amazing because not everyone gets this chance, and to get this is just beyond amazing.
Sophomore Gracie Gonzalez will be able to leave high school as an FAA certified drone pilot.
I want to be in the medical field, and I thought this would be perfect for rescues and medical rescues, and it's a great opportunity.
I think I'm most excited about getting students who are historically underrepresented, girls in STEM careers and aviation, kind of breaking down those barriers.
When the program is launched later this year, it will aim to help female students develop this highly marketable skill that could get their foot in the door of countless STEM jobs upon graduation.
We really have an intent to move that needle with females in the STEM field.
Kaylee Gunderson, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Steel City Drone Flight Academy offers the most comprehensive on-site commercial remote pilot training program in the United States. Our team of professional drone instructors has more than 30 years of combined experience and have trained more than 1,000 students to fly drones commercially. We offer on-site training anywhere in the United States.
Dave King from Steel City Drones is a pioneer in the drone industry and is one of the most experienced remote pilots with more than 18,000 logged flights and over 10 years of flying experience. After working with more than 800 clients, Dave has taken everything that he has learned and incorporated it into Steel City Drones training program to prepare you to be the best commercial pilot possible.
Our most popular training package is a 4-day commercial program. Day 1, it's an introduction to drones day, an introduction to flying day, equipment familiarization. Day 2 is all-day flying. It's our advanced flying. You learn up to 15 different practice exercises. You learn how to fly manually without any automation, and you're going to be amazed by the things that you can do by the end of the day. The 3rd day is what we call Advanced Ground School. We teach you everything that the Part 107 test does not, and that's going to be everything nuts and bolts from a theory standpoint on how to be able to do flight missions. Everything from flight planning, risk assessments, to wireless communications, how to use visual observers, all the resource management from a theory standpoint. If you want to really sharpen up how to fly drones commercially and professionally, this is a day that you cannot miss. The 4th day is a commercial applications day, where we're taking the first 3 days, putting it all together, and we're doing simulated training missions that you would normally do for commercial flying. Inspection work, mapping, or they could be search and rescue, monitoring, a lot of different ways that we can go with that tactical day. Depends on who is in the group and what they want to be able to do. They are completely customizable.
We also offer everything from 1-day introduction classes to 7-day train the trainer programs, tailor-made to your specific needs.
What sets us apart from other training schools is that we teach you how to fly manually without any automation so that you're prepared to respond to the worst type of situation a pilot can experience.
Steel City Drones offers small groups of up to 6 participants per instructor so that each student gets sufficient one-on-one instruction.
I'm Detective Brent Dukes with Jackson Police Department. The thing I like most about Steel City drones on-site training was that all the way from the setup, the most basic parts of the setup of the drone and the equipment, having an expert right there with us to answer any questions we had was so helpful. They offered a comprehensive package including equipment recommendations, training, certification, study guides, everything that we needed to implement this drone into our department, they provided. Some of the training that we got on site was flight planning, emergency drone recovery, should the worst case happen, dual flights with 2 controllers, one operator controlling the drone itself, the other controlling the camera. I would say that as sophisticated of a piece of equipment as this is, it's only as good as the operator who is running it, and the operator is only as good as the training they've received. Because there's no way that I would have figured out some of the capabilities of this equipment had I not had David on site as an expert. I'm pretty capable with this type of equipment. I'm pretty savvy with technology, but there are things that I learned about this because David was there to answer questions in real time that I never would have learned on my own or even with the other members of my department who were flying it with me. If I didn't have his expertise in real time, there's just capabilities that I would be completely missing out on.
My name is Robert Warrington. I'm the budget analyst at the State Training School in Eldora, Iowa. Working with Dave was fantastic. He gave us great guidance on what to look for and kind of his insights and what would really help for our kind of mission that we have here. And by building this, I think it's going to help the school accomplish what we're looking for.
For more information about Steel City Drones training services, please visit our website at steelcityflightacademy.com.